Hi friends, this is Carmen. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. I've got a little DIY crafty type project, but it is plant related, so stay with me here, okay? I have, first of all, an unboxing for you, and what's inside is what we're going to be doing our crafty DIY project on, but it is for my plants. So if you're intrigued about that, stay tuned and I'll show you what it's all about. Let's get to it. So you've been with me for a little while on my channel. You know that I love Treleaf trellises. I have all sorts of configurations of them, of different leaves, different sizes for many of my plants, and I love them all. So they sent me some new product of theirs, and it is really exciting because I get to go kind of back to one of my hobbies that I absolutely love doing, which was painting. Not only painting, plants and flowers and things like that, but painting using some chalk paint. This is Treleaf's wall-mounted trellises that are bare. They have absolutely no staining or any type of treatment on them, so you can customize them and make them unique to your home decor and style. They're lightweight and easy to attach to your wall. They come with the little nails and everything, and they even have some spacers on them so they'll sit a little bit off of the wall and give the vines some room to grow. You can get 10% off with my code of Carmen10. Links are down below in the description box. If you order before April 30th, they'll include one free petite wall-mounted bare monstera trellis with every purchase. Okay, so I've got what I think I'm going to need, all of the paints, the chalk paint. I even dug out some acrylic paint that I had, and I dug out some markers that I had too. I think we're going to do, I may fast forward this, but I think what I'm going to do is paint both sides, and even these little markers here. And I think I'm going to start off with this palm one. Let's start off with this. This is antique green, the folk art, and I'll leave links for all of this. Folk art chalk paint. This one is antique green. So I've added a little bit lighter paint here, and I'm just going to kind of mix it up because, as we all know, in nature, nothing is just a flat color. There are variations to it. So, you can kind of just go through and add different shades. This saguaro cactus, I think I'm going to start on the back this time. And saguaros aren't quite as dark as a palm leaf, so I'll use a little bit lighter variation. And I've also gone ahead and painted these little monstera leaves. And I made a couple of them, a little constellation, tie constellations, because this is probably the only way I'll own one. But these are really good to try out different techniques, like to try out, say for instance, you know, markers or something like that, to see if it will work on this type of completely bare and untreated wood. So, you know, that's a good way to try it out. So now I want to seal it, and I have some of this Minwax. I've got just enough left, I think. So I'm going to seal it because this is going to be coming in contact with, you know, water more than likely, and plants are going to be growing on it and stuff. So I want to seal it completely. So some type of varnish is what you want to use on it.
So I've let them dry overnight. Now it's time to hang them up. They do come with a little nail and hanger on them, and there is a little ring on the back of each trellis that you can hook it onto. I've decided to put the saguaro cactus one here in my plant room. I painted on, or drew on rather, some little flowers with some markers, and I'm winding my Hoya obovata through it. This one was originally on a heart trellis, and I decided to change it up a bit and use this wall trellis now. I really like the way that it came out. Now for the Palmella trellis, I did add the Hoya tangamas to it. It's been growing so much and giving off such big leaves. I think it really appreciated this new trellis instead of the wire one I had it on. I did add some words of affirmation or some fruits of the spirit from Galatians 5 onto this trellis. I used just a regular marker to write those on, and I think it'll be fine. And it's really just loving it here in this little corner of my bedroom with the rest of my Hoyas. Remember, you can get 10% off by using code Carmen10. I have the links down below directly to these products, so you'll want to make sure and check them out. Thanks so much, friends, for spending a little bit of your day with me. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up. I appreciate that. If you haven't already, please do subscribe, because you don't want to miss any of my videos. Thanks so much, friends. I'll see you in the next video. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye now.